Hey guys, what's up? It's Erica, and today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my college bedroom. I'm a senior in college, so I'm moving out soon, unfortunately, but I'm actually going to be in college for an extra quarter. I'm just not going to be living in the place that I've been living for the past 2 years. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first I'm just kind of going to give you an overview of my bedroom. My bed and my dresser I both thrifted from a garage sale, and I sanded it and painted it this light blue color, and I ended up really liking how it turned out. Unfortunately, I think I'm going to sell it and leave it here just because it's heavy and it's a pain to move. I put this chair next to my bed, and this chair I actually literally went to like the greatest lengths to find. I wanted this chair so badly. I found this one on like a website. Someone was selling it for $20. I threw this little, I think this is actually a rug. It's from TJ Maxx. It's not a comfortable chair, but I love the way it looks. And then here I have a little piece of art which I made myself. We had those frames at home, and I got some burlap, and then I just printed out a picture of a cactus and put some ribbon around it so it looks a little framed, and it's a little uneven, which bothers me. I have these two shelves on the wall, which I have like redecorated this wall so many times, and then this summer I knew I wanted to switch it up, and I was looking on Pinterest for things, and it's a really big room and a really big wall to fill, so I found these like wooden triangles, and my dad and I actually made these. I just put my little Instax on there. I put some books, some little fake cactus plants, and candles and stuff. I really like how these triangles look on the wall. They like took up enough space. They're 3D, which is pretty cool, and they just add some dimension and shape to the room. Then I just have this little like basket where I keep my towels and everything. Then I have my desk, which we had it at my house, and I just like repainted it to match my other furniture, along with this chair, which I got for free. It was just on the side of the road, and I painted it to match as well. I wish I kind of had something a little bit more modern, but it was free and it worked for me. This is just kind of where I keep my makeup, like honestly. I've never done homework here. And I have this mirror, which I got from Michael's for $30. I was looking for a circular mirror. I really wanted a mid-century modern one with like a tin border around it, but those are super expensive, and I ended up finding this one, which I thought was close enough and way cheaper. Then on the side of my desk, I have a full-length mirror. And then, like I said, I do have the master bedroom, so I have a big wall of closets. This is one side. I have like belts, bandanas, backpacks, purses. I have this thing which organizes my jewelry that I use for some of my jewelry. A hamper. I have a drawer dedicated to parties, outfits, and like a lot of frat parties have themes and stuff, so I just have random stuff and outfits for holidays and like Halloween. I have my pants and my overalls all hung up, and then below I keep my shorts and my skirts and my shirt. I have shoes on the bottom here. I have jackets and dresses and sweaters and all of that up here. And then up on this shelf I put all my sweatshirts because I have a ton of sweatshirts. So I have two Anthropologie hooks, which I hung up my purse. And then I also keep my little Brixton hat. And then this was something that came in our house, which like I love how quaint our house is, and there's this little built-in shelf. I also made these this summer, and these are just like pieces of wood, and I got some, I think this is called twine, and I put some nails in it so I could hang up all my jewelry right here. I just have some Polaroid pictures and a nice note that my roommate wrote me. I have this little like, I don't know what this is, pottery that I found at Goodwill, and I love it. I have some scrunchies, some perfume. This fake plant, I get all this type of stuff from like TJ Maxx. I have another one of those pictures where I put burlap, and then I printed out this picture of a cactus. There's my nightstand, which I got from Goodwill. It was $7, which I think is a steal. And then I just have a little light. This is kind of a mess. I never really figured out what to put on this. Bathing suits in this drawer, which worked out really nicely. So that is my college bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what other types of videos you guys would like me to make, and I'll see you in my next video.
If you're not liking and subscribing, then get the f off this channel.